Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to my channel Networking with Neaz Arefin. I hope you have been chilling as always. Today I will toss in a new tech problem, the fix and hands-on troubleshooting. So straight up, let's jump in. Hey, my C drive is already in critical storage, if you see here, but Windows is not telling me where this space is going. So in this video, I'm going to identify the real storage hog and fix it safely, step by step. So if you press Windows I, then system, I'll look for storage. By default it is the C drive, see M.2C, this is the one. I'll give it a minute to scan everything. Okay, this is where I stand. Installed app is taking 169 gigs from the 301 gig, and then other is taking 9.49, temporary file is taking 9.28, some desktop files is taking 5.19 because I have some video and maybe some other files that is taking 5 gig, which I'm not worried about. The main concern is that install app and maybe the temporary files and other. So let me go install app, and it is not all drives. I'll limit to local disk, but if you see, I will have to go each line by line, but still it is not telling me how and where that 169 gigs are. But it is not straightforward. You will have to dive a lot, like honing around and maybe searching each files and folder manually. It is going to be tedious and time taking job. If you see here, it says cleanup recommendation, but yeah, these are the video file that I have on my desktop. If I delete this, yes, it can give me a little bit of a space, but not much. So there's 2 video file here, it just deleted anyway. So we are looking for some effective resolution. That's why I want to introduce a new apps which is free through Microsoft Store, TreeSize free. I have already opened it, and if you hit open, it is not going to run as administrator. So I am going to hone around and say run as administrator. Okay, yes, you see the apps is running. There's now either I can go and select a storage, local disk M. I can do this way and then hit scan, or I can do this way, scan with TreeSize free. Both will do similar actions. Now if you see the culprits we already found, AppData is taking 121 gigs, 121 gigs, roaming is taking 100 gigs, and then Wondershare, this culprit is taking almost 96 gigs. So isn't that it amazing? It's giving you at the first place. If you are not using these apps and dependent on the Windows built-in features, then you will really have to go see, then find out user. First of all, you don't know if it is user or which one is like taking all these spaces. So you will have to go each and one of them. So user, and then here, and then this is the one, AppData. Okay, let me confirm, 121 gig. That's what it's saying. Inside it, roaming is also taking, I think it's gonna end up, yep, 100 gigs. And I think inside roaming there is, what is that? Wondershare. This is the one, taking almost 96 gigs, 95 gigs. So see, since I know from here, that's why I can go. Otherwise, you are blindly searching everything, every folder, everything. By the way, what is AppData? AppData is a hidden folder where applications store data, cache, and settings, like your video editors, browsers, Microsoft apps, saves all their background data here. What is the local? The local is machine specific cache and temporary data, like machine specific caches, like browser cache, crash dumps, temp files. These are the files that it stores here. Local low is the low permission app data, like older apps, sandbox, components, etc. And roaming is the user profile data meant to follow by setting, like follow for this account, like Filmora, media proxy, Outlook profiles, app settings, etc. I delete blindly anything. I was using these free apps that breaks down a storage users folder by folder, like including hidden paths like AppData. It's a really cool app. You can use it. Okay, so if I go inside user, me, and then AppData, you see local, roaming, local, low. I should not blindly delete all those, as the local contains Windows plus app runtime data. Deleting it entirely can break Windows app and user session, like stored apps, edge data, system and temp structure, everything can be broken. So I can only delete specific data which is consuming most of my storage. So for now I will go roaming, Wondershare. Let me delete this. I can skip this, skip. Let's see how much space I have now. It is just taking 150 MB. So what it just clean is cache, proxy, temp, snapshots, backups, cloud cache, etc. It has not deleted any critical files that will prevent the application to run. I'm still running the Windows Filmora. If you can see, I'm recording with it, so it's running, don't worry. Now if I go here, PC, see, I have 128 gig free now. Boom. Thanks to TreeSize free app that helped me to identify who was the culprit. If this helped, hit subscribe for more real hands-on tech troubleshooting. Any questions, any thoughts, drop them in the comments. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next one.